is all about which is the best for eating, chopstick, spoon and fork, or clean hands. The answer is very obvious. With clean or bare hands, of course. Let me tell you something. The very moment you step inside Mang Inasal, Penong's, or any chicken fast food, you will witness people eating with their bare hands. Yes, their bare hands. Why is that? Why is it most Pinoy loves to eat using their bare hands? We can say that it is normal for us to eat using our hands, especially when the dish is sinugba, chicken, barbecue, or adobo. These are the favorite foods of every Pinoy and can be mostly seen in every menu within the Philippines. The traditional way of eating is called kamayan or with hands. Kamayan was the customary way of eating in the Philippines. Although utensils are more accessible and common now, Pinoys often eat with this old school way for big celebrations. This practice of eating has been seen as a way to better enjoy their food over tons of stories, laughters, precious memories shared by the family members and loved ones. I love going out to eat with my friends, especially at night market at Rojas, and enjoy the budget sulit barbecue partnered with rice, which are also eaten bare-handed. Also, we cannot forget the delicious buchi, as we observe that most of the merchants have prepared plastic gloves for customers who prefers to eat with their hands. With this fact, we can conclude how Filipinos or Dabaweños loves to eat using their hands. So what are you hesitating for? As a Filipino, be proud of your culture and enjoy the customary way of eating using your bare hands. And after all, I really think that the best way to enjoy your food is using your clean hands. And always remember to wash your hands to protect yourself from the virus. Thank you.